we're going to do the Finding Nemo musical. The character I played is Dory.
I play the part of Skill.
I play Marlon as Nemo's dad.
Can I get the sharks on stage, please?
Corey plays Bruce the Shark because he is a very interesting character.
We got loads of lines to learn.
I have 15 scripts for my character.
And lots of accents to learn as well.
Today we're going to do our opening number.
I love being in drama plays.
We're all practicing together.
We give each other positive feedback.
We all worked together and we're doing a really perfect job.
Okay, now we're going to do
My motto is stay cool, have fun, never give up.
It's going to be very great, and I'm really excited for it.
Being in a drama production is my favorite.
All right, give yourselves a round of applause.